And good Wednesday morning to you from the Storm Alert Weather Center. It's almost 10 o'clock Central Time this morning. We want to direct our attention from south central Kentucky into western Kentucky, where there is currently a flood emergency going on across the extreme western part of the state. And the reason we're doing a live broadcast for this is because everybody has friends and family away from here, and this is a critical situation that's going on now. Looking at the latest flood warnings that are in effect for western Kentucky, and again, these are warnings that's been issued by the Weather Service in Paducah. Some of the counties that are included in that area, places around Murray, Benton, Clinton, Paducah, that would be McCracken, Caldwell. Those areas are all under flood emergencies this morning. And we've been watching some of the data that's come in to us, and a tremendous amount of rain has fallen across that part of the state. The exact counties that are in this flood warning, this is a flood emergency that would include Mayfield, Wingo, the Fancy Farm, Beulah, and surrounding areas. The counties include southern Ballard, Carlisle, central Graves, and northeastern Hickman County. And this is in effect until 1 o'clock Central Time this Wednesday afternoon. Grim pictures are coming from that area. We've had right now, let me show you this, 9.56 inches of rain in Ballard County. That's since midnight. 9.6. It's still raining. We'll look at the radar in just a second, but it's an impressive sight to see. We're getting pictures sent to us from some of our friends over in western Kentucky. It shows a lot of the regions underwater, roadways underwater, city streets. There along Highway 121 is completely underwater. These were made, I think, in the pre-dawn hours. People are trying to avoid the floodwaters there in Ballard County. And a drone video captures what some of western Kentucky looks like this morning as a result of the floodwaters moving through. So it's a very critical time across western Kentucky. Almost a year ago, we had the devastating floods in eastern Kentucky, and now we're having a lot of problems in western Kentucky with the current flash flood emergencies that have been issued. The latest radar imagery shows this line of showers and thunderstorms that's moving through the area, and you can see how it's simply moving straight across through much of western Kentucky in that same area that the flash flood emergencies are going on. I don't think we have any severe thunderstorm warnings in effect. Most everything is flash floods. And you can see from the polygons that includes cities such as Benton, Murray, Clinton, Paducah, all of western Kentucky under flash flood warnings. and they are calling that a flash flood emergency for Western Kentucky. We're not wanting to continue to talk about this all day, but if you have family and friends that live in Western Kentucky, you should advise them to be on the lookout for threatening flooding. The Weather Service says life-threatening situation. So if you're anywhere around Paducah, Hickman County, Mayfield, Murray, you need to tell your friends to go to a safe place. We do have some followers in Western Kentucky, and we just wanted to get this word out to you that flash flood emergency is going on in Western Kentucky. If you have friends, family in that region, you need to tell them to seek shelter in a higher location if they are threatened with high flood waters. Thank you all for joining us for the Western Kentucky flood emergency coverage here from the Storm Alert Weather Center.